Hi students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about one more very important problem here only. So KSET 2018. So Karnataka State Eligibility Test 2018 question the ಈ question ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ previous class ನಾಗ KSET 2018 ಹೇಳಿನಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐತಿ very important. So based on the shortest distance between. So okay students, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಕೆಸೆಟ್ ಓದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಓದೋಣ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. So solution 1. So question number 2. So onne question bidisini. So 2018 KSET attale. So yana questions. What is the shortest distance in R cube between the points bracket 1, 2, 3? Okay. So and the plane xy x plus y plus z equal to 0. So four options here only. Okay students. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಒಂದನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 6, b equal to 3 into square root 2, c equal to 2 into square root 3, d into square root 6. Okay, there are four options here only. Okay, so first you have to find out here only. So what is the shortest distance between in R cube? R cube you have to find the 1, 2, 3. This is x, y, z. Okay students, so dimensional kaltira already. So rank of nullity, so dimensional, so already kaltir ನೀವು. So R cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so then now to ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ students, so you have to find the what is the shortest distance in R cube. So you have first you have to find out the shortest distance. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ shortest distance ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, shortest ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you have to collect the formula, then how to procedure solutions, so then get a result. Okay, so ಯಾವ ತರ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. Okay students, so let's start about the solution. Okay students, see there only students, see there students. So solution, what is the shortest distance between? So already ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ students. So shortest distance between formula. Okay students, you have to I will consider how to shortest distance formula. Okay, shortest distance formula. Okay students, distance formula. So shortest distance formula what? So shortest distance formula you have to d, consider how to d, then what? D equal to mod of ax plus by plus cz plus what? D. So d equal to small d students. Okay, small d divided by square root of under a square plus b square plus c square. Okay students, so you have to shorten distance formula here only. D equal to mod of ax plus by plus cz plus d mod complete divided by square root of under a square plus b square plus c square. This that is shortened distance formula. This is very important. So formula here only. Okay students, now to then what this here only, then between the point 1, 2, 3 and the another plane here only. Okay students, another plane, what is x plus y plus z equal to 0. Okay plane, so x plus y plus z equal to 0. You have to coefficient. Okay, so you have to not so ನಮ್ಗೆ a b c, so ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so ಅವೇ coefficients, you have to coefficient here only. Okay, so another coefficient here only. So a, so b, another one is c. Okay students, you have to consider one plane here only. Okay students, one plane x plus y plus z equal to 0. Okay students, you have to coefficient of a equal to ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ students, you have to consider 1 a. What this here only, this is plane. Okay students, ax plus by plus cz, so another this here only. Okay, so then d equal to 0. This is one standard equation. Okay students, then not a coefficient, so another coefficient here only. So coefficient another, so ಏನಿಲ್ಲ coefficient ಏನಂತ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay students, you have to consider 1. Another one is by, so as it is coefficient of 1. Okay, cz, you have coefficient of 1. Okay students, similarly, so you have to values here only. So a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1. Okay students, then what here only another one passing through the 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay students, so 1 comma 2 comma 3, this is how to axis. This is the x axis, y axis and z axis. There are 3 axes here only. Okay, this is plane of x y z. Okay, equal to 0. So another one is d. D is value is what? D equal to 0. This is constant. So another one is constant value equal to become 0. D equal to 0. Okay students, then how to 1 comma 2 comma 3, this is passing through the plane. Okay, x consider y consider z. Okay students, so all these values were put in the formula shortest distance formula. Okay, so all these equation put in the equation number 1. You have consider equation number 1. Okay students, so you have all these equation equation number put madko. Okay students, so directly I can write, so directly I can write, so d equal to, so a equal to how much values? 1 students, then x equal to how much values? 1 students, then now 2 plus as it is, then b equal to what? So 1 students, another y consider to 2 students, another one c equal to remaining 1 students, z equal to you have to consider 3. Okay, this is passing through the lines 1 y z, x y z. This is also the between the point 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is x, this is y, this is z. Okay students, then what? D equal to 0. So all these in equation number 1. So a ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು up to equation ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 1 equation put ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Okay students, then what? So dividing, so then square root of under square root of, so a square what? A square equal to 1 square plus b square equal to 1 square, c square is equal to 1 square. Okay students, so then what here only? So what next here only? So mod, so 1 into 1, this is mod. Okay, 1, another one plus 1 into 2, so 2, another 1 into 3, 3, as it here only 0. Okay students, this is mod. So dividing, so what? Square root of under 1 square equal to 1, 1 square equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay students, so what next here only? So d equal to, so d equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So mod of 6 divided by root of 3, root 3. Okay students, what next here only? So ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತೆ students, ಇದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಐತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು students? So d equal to what? Mod of 6 equal to as it is mod of 6. Okay students, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ನಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸೊ become positive. Okay students, then what? Mod of 6 always positive, then what outcome is positive, then what? Root 3. So here as how to return this? Again you have to return this multiplication of root 3, numerator and denominator. So then how to ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ root 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ತೆಳಗಡೆ root 3. So they can cancel remaining, so 6 divided by root 3. So this cancel. Okay students, then what next? So d into 6 into root 3, then root 3 into whole square. Okay students, then how to, so ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದು multiplication here only, so ತೆಳಗಡೆ numerator multiplication, then denominator multiplication. Okay students, then how to square we cancel here only. What next? D equal to 6 into root 3 divided by, so 3, so 3 1 ja, what next here only students? What? So d equal to 6 divided by root 3 into 3, so 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, so what next? D equal to 2 into root 3. So what is this result? D equal to what is the shortest distance between, so D equal to 2 into root 3. So options here only, so C is correct answer. So okay students, so which one is correct answer? 6, A is not, D is not, C is correct answer, D is not. Okay, so got result D equal to 2 into root 3. This is finally get result. Okay students, once again repeat here only. Okay, so this is very very important for Karnataka state eligibility test, that's then to, so 2017. This once again repeat, what is the shorter distance between? So I will first you have to consider formula, shorter distance formula. So d equal to mod of ax plus by plus cz plus d mod convert divided by square root of under a square plus b square plus a square plus b square plus c square square root. So equal to what next? Then equation number 1. Then out of passing and now one plane here only. So x plus y plus z equal to 0. This consider how to in equations in questions. Okay. Then out of this result, the coefficient of another one is a equal to x, by equal to x. This similar. The coefficient a equal to 1. So coefficient b equal to 1. So the c is equal to 1. So d is remaining. So how to consider? There is no. So this how consider d is this is constant here only. D equal to 0 becomes. So all these equations here will put in the equation number 1. All these a b c d, then out of passing the line 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is x y z. Okay. So one plane here only. This is one plane. So this is one plane here only. So this is one plane. Okay, students. So consider 0. This is considered low. This is x. This is y. This is z. Okay, students. You have consider x, y, z. You have to consider 1, 2, 3. One plane here only. I will consider how to x, y, z. Remaining part. This all these equations put in the equation. Then what? A equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. So then have to b equal to 1. Y equal to 2. So c equal to 1. 3 is equal to z. So d equal to, you have to written this footer. So d equal to 0. All this you have to multiplication. Then have to get result. So this result have to rational numbers. You have to numerator and denominator. So wherever root 3 to 1, another root 3. They get result out of previous term. So 6 divided by root 3. Okay, get result. So then how to squaring. Then also square and square it get cancel here only. So then how to 6 into root 3 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So get result distance shorter distance here only 2 into root 3. So finally you get result. So option here only C. So C is correct answer. Okay, students. So understand it, friends. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ so comment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ so thank you for watching this video. I will continue the next class. Okay, students. ಹಂಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್.